Hello guys. Today we are going to be releasing the NFT we already bought on GenaDrop marketplace to make good money. So to do that, we are going to navigate to the collected NFTs, of course, the one we collected from the marketplace. And okay, let's release this torch. Okay, okay, yep, yeah. As you can see, this is the NFT. The attribute is mythic, and this is the transaction history. Let's check out the sales history. Yeah, as you can see, amount to Argo from this to this wallet, from wallet to wallet. Okay, everything is there. Then also we need to check the minting, and for the minting, this is the transaction preview. Okay, it was minted by this ID, this wallet ID first, and then sold to this wallet ID. Okay, now let's release our torch for a bigger price. Yeah, we want to make money. We're going to make money, good money. Okay, let's release. Click on the list and let's set a price for an NFT. Check the collection floor price to give you an idea of the average price the NFT at the moment. Okay, yeah. Let's just input. We bought at two algo. Let's just sell for three algo. So once we input three, you can see here is GenaDrop fee. These are the fee, 10%, and the touch is 7%. Total is 17%. Okay, so let's set a price for listing. Now, as you can see, your item is now listed for sale. Wow. So you can click on view item to see your NFT listed on GenaDrop Marketplace. Yeah. And thank you for watching.